Can I turn it round, Daddy?
Go through round.
Like this?
Yeah, see? That's neat writing, isn't it? No. Wow, especially when you was only 3, wasn't it? You do neat writing like that when you're only 3.